Hi, I'm Michelle Catalanello, and as a studio signature artist in New York City, I'm excited to tell you about the seminars we offer our professional hairdressers at the Wella studios in North America.
The Niologist Certification course is designed for hairdressers that want to support their clients' thinning hair concerns with confidence. This can be a sensitive subject, and we're here to equip you with the best ways to consult with your clients and create a personalized plan for their unique needs.
In our program, which is recognized by the Institute of Trichology, we'll take an in-depth look at all aspects of a successful consultation, technologies that power our NIOXIN products, biology of the hair and scalp, appropriate treatment protocols, and build an actionable business plan, among many other topics.
You also connect with fellow professionals who share your passion for pursuing expertise and offering the best service to your clients. You'll return to your salon ready to share your new expertise with your clients and implement your business plan, where you'll see being an expert with specialized knowledge really pay off.
I hope you found this information helpful. If you have additional questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you create a transformational learning plan that's personalized to your unique journey. We look forward to seeing you at a Wella studio soon.